In a move that will bring respite to households across the nation, the union government has announced a substantial reduction in the price of cooking gas. Effective August 30, the price of a 14.2 kg LPG cylinder will be reduced by Rs 200 in all markets across the country, the government said in a release. In Delhi, for instance, the decision will bring down the cost of a 14.2 kg cylinder from the existing Rs 1,103 per cylinder to a more affordable Rs 903 per cylinder. This is a gift to crores of ministers of the country on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. Our government will always do everything possible that improves people's quality of life and benefits the poor and middle class, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said. To clear pending PMUY applications and to provide deposit-free LPG connection to all eligible households, the government will shortly start distribution of PMUY connections to 75 lakhs women from poor households who do not have the LPG connection. This will increase the total number of beneficiaries under PMUY from 9.6 crore to 10.35 crore, the release stated. These decisions come as part of the government's ongoing efforts to ease the financial burden on the citizens and promote the welfare of households. The reduction in cooking gas prices reflects the government's commitment to prioritize the well-being of its citizens and ensure access to essential commodities at reasonable rates, the release said.